Yup, this your boy Tenko Vibes and welcome to Tenko Vibes React once again, my people. I am back, and if you see me, then you know I'm here with a new reaction. And guess who we've got on board this week? Alright, Guru NKZ, my people. Guru is out with a new track, and he calls this one No Noise. Just a shh. On Kasa. Alright, so we remember a couple of weeks ago, Guru had an interview with Abeku Santana, another one with Zion Felix. Now, interview, Guru said he's been sabotaged by a few guys in the music industry. Who are these guys? He talked about Richie, Ochame Kwame, Kwabnabo, and others. Alright, so I think that sabotage, sabotaging, Guru, he's not being fairly treated in the music industry. I was crazy, man. Now, we the Guru didn't in our shame, and we pin a good actress. Watch a chilling say, my people. Yeah, best on him. Yeah, best on him. Alright, so without wasting my time, let's get into it and see what Guru has to offer in this track called No Noise. Let's go.
Yo, right about now, this your boy Guru in the house. Hello.
I drop it back about the 10 years. Fans in a feeling. Charlie everywhere we score there. We got one feeling.
Alright, so he said he's dropped bangers more than 10 years. And he's not complaining. And he's just focused on the game. He's doing what he knows how to do best. Action speaks louder than words. That is what Guru is talking about, my people. Let us continue on. Boys in about 2 hits. So those guys who have released only 2 hits, Guru is saying you guys should stop bragging. Because he's been in the game for over 10 years, he's released hits upon hits. And he's not even complaining, he's not even talking. So if you think you've got some popularity because of your 2 hits, and you better start your bragging and you forget it. And the Guru says, no noise. Alright, boys are bread. Outside Ghana, he's one of the guys here, international bangers there. And of course, Guru is not bragging here. If you say hit upon hater, if you go back, I can mention a lot of his songs. Called Al-Qaeda, Al-Qaeda boys are bread, Empire, La Paz Toyota, the karaoke. So a lot. It's a Guru journey. My people, let's continue. What Guru is saying here is that the empty barrels makes the most noise. Into your not there, he knows he's good. Into your choke corner, just say, oh boy Juma, or drop a hit upon hit actually say, and you need them boko Guru fire call.
Politics propaganda. Why you know the content? If I talk, you the see, you the watch. This be superstar. We know the rush, we know the this be superstar. Superstar. This be superstar. This be superstar. You the see, you the watch. This be superstar. We know the rush.
So quality no say high ladies near men here cash in here. The Guru, I'm sure Guru is sending a message here. He said he's dropped the hits, he's made the money, he's got the money, but he's not complaining. He's got everything and he's still not complaining. Mom about 2 hits now, I'm doing some best start your bragging. Guru said, Monchoke crab. This is superstar life. They act more than they do they brag. Action speaks louder than words. That is what Guru is talking about here, my people. Let's continue. The creativity is on point. They won't honor, but we thank God. And Tiahan winning their aircon. Omo honor, but we thank God. Boy, Tiahano. Or to short indirectly, he's not mentioning any names, but we all know what Guru is talking about here, my people. Let's continue. Alright, Guru says the bag is full. It's full of cash. He said he's got money. So he's got the creativity and he's got money. What else?
messed up. We dey make them a fans so we dey can't chill. Cause today we dey talk.
So Guru is saying Otanya Mane lose more deals, so he's lost several deals because of hatred in the music industry. But Guru said he's still believing in God, and he'll continue to stay positive. He'll continue to focus on his music, his talent. He's got a creativity, so he will do what he knows how to do best.
You know, one way. I have to open one who are gone away. Fake love, fake life, fake God. You need to see a video what they say.
All right, so I don't know quite one way. On come who are gone away. And I'm sure that we know whom he's talking about here. We know the group he's talking about here. I say music industry. My a group be just on come who are gone away. Or patch say be on come Banabo. Rich no money, I saw Cham Kwame no squad and nobody I just said. Be any baby from Deus and never cry, you are to chain. Guru can someone you may move. Check to the day. Why say we know the push Gemini? My pocket him when I had the breeze sound. If I talk, you the see, you the watch, this be superstar. We know the rush, we know the young, this be superstar. The boys in the art form. And one thing I like about Guru is he invests a lot of time in his music. And say a free back, a back, a done in the Kikahuni, and say, you know, Musa, na Asano, Asano match. Umuyin 1. Let's continue. Guru had you just a telephone. We see where Timuse. It think you telephone the see what's on. I said, or the new school and the old school. He's blended the new school and the old school. And then, guys, Guru is good. All right, my people, that is Guru for you. Chidede. All right, it looks like Guru verse. If you look at his face here. All right, so yeah, that was a really good one coming from Guru. He calls this one No Noise, Superstar Life. Action speaks louder than words. No, science said empty barrels make the most noise. And what he's saying is that he's been in the industry for so many years, but Tonya recognition but he's not complaining. He's still going to stay positive. He'll continue on to do what he knows how to do best. He's got the creativity, he's got the money, and then he'll continue on to believe in God, hoping so everything will go in his favor. All right, and if you look at the costume name, so it means Guru. The dressing in the only one grow. I said dressing kakra. I said mpabuana. I said combat kakra. It looks like he's got some money in the suitcase. He's also sending a message that he's got all the money. And I would say that was a really good one. Good one. So the owner said about hating. So the baby or the two be hating the gym. Ghana can musicians ne bush more shows na Guru count. The only mean in film. And yeah, I think that was a really good one, my people. Thank you very much for watching, and then I will leave the link to this music video in my description so you can go check it out for Guru NKZ. Alright, so thank you very much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel on YouTube. It is tenkovibes. I am also available on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter as well. Also tenkovibes. Until we meet again, take care of yourselves, and then bye for now, my people. Macramo.